And I just followed it to the letter exactly the way that they said to use it, even though that was different than the way I've used products in the past. And I'll be honest with you, the results were fantastic.
First things first, I wouldn't be where I am today without God and that TNB from the beer struggle.
The beer struggle are shipping worldwide. So don't ask me, do they send to Serbia? Do they send to Australia? They send to the fucking moon if you live on the moon, okay?
I don't have any more patches. I have a long, thick, smooth, soft beard that my wife adores. And the main goal is to take care of your beard. This company, the Beard Struggle, is made by a bearded man for the bearded man. It's to help you take care of your beard. And they do exactly that.
Just got the restock from the Beard Struggle. Damn, I love these products. Keep my beard fresh. Go get yours. Boom. Peace.
Beard struggles, baby. Rubbing that good old stuff in this lovely beard. Oh man, look at that. Giving it all type of movement and life. Ooh, look how I comb nice and easy through it. I'm loving it. On bed rest or not, gotta take care of this lovely beard, baby. Focus.